Rosemary, scientifically known as Rosmarinus officinalis, is a fragrant evergreen herb native to the Mediterranean region. It is a member of the mint family and is widely cultivated for both culinary and medicinal purposes. With needle-like leaves and blue flowers, rosemary is known for its distinctive aroma and flavor, often used to season a variety of dishes, particularly in Mediterranean cuisine. Additionally, it has been traditionally used for its potential health benefits, including improving memory and concentration, as well as having antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Benefits: improved cognitive function. Some studies suggest that rosemary may enhance memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function. The aroma of rosemary essential oil has been associated with increased alertness and mental clarity. Antioxidant properties. Rosemary contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which have antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Components of rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This could be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Digestive health. Rosemary has been traditionally used to support digestion and relieve digestive discomfort. It may help stimulate bile production, which aids in the digestion of fats. Antimicrobial activity. Rosemary extracts have shown antimicrobial properties against various bacteria and fungi, potentially aiding in the treatment of infections. Hair and scalp health. Rosemary oil is often used topically to promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and improve scalp health. It may help stimulate blood circulation to the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. Mood enhancement. Inhalation of rosemary essential oil has been associated with improved mood and reduced stress levels. The aroma of rosemary may have a calming effect on the mind. Potential cancer prevention. Some research suggests that rosemary extracts may have anti-cancer properties, potentially inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. However, more studies are needed to confirm these effects. Rosemary is helpful due to its rich array of bioactive compounds, which contribute to its various potential health benefits. Ways of use. Culinary use. Fresh rosemary. Fresh rosemary leaves can be used whole or chopped to flavor a wide range of dishes, including roasted meats, poultry, vegetables, soups, stews, and sauces. Dried rosemary. Dried rosemary can be used in place of fresh rosemary, although it tends to have a more concentrated flavor. It's commonly used in marinades, rubs, and spice blends. Infused oil. Rosemary-infused oil can be made by steeping fresh rosemary sprigs in olive oil. This infused oil adds a fragrant flavor to dressings, marinades, and roasted vegetables. Herbal butter. Mixing finely chopped fresh rosemary into softened butter creates a flavorful herb butter, perfect for spreading on bread or melting over grilled meats and vegetables. Medicinal use. Herbal tea. Rosemary tea can be made by steeping fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water. This herbal tea is believed to aid digestion, improve cognitive function, and promote overall well-being. Essential oil. Rosemary essential oil is extracted from the leaves of the plant and can be used topically or aromatically. It's commonly used in aromatherapy to enhance focus, relieve stress, and improve mood. When diluted properly, it can also be applied to the skin for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Herbal tincture. A rosemary tincture can be made by steeping rosemary leaves in alcohol or a mixture of alcohol and water. This tincture can be taken orally to support digestion or improve cognitive function, although it's important to use it in moderation and under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Topical use. Hair care. Rosemary oil can be added to shampoos, conditioners, or hair masks to promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and improve scalp health. It can also be applied directly to the scalp to stimulate circulation and strengthen hair follicles. Skin care. Diluted rosemary essential oil can be applied topically to the skin to soothe minor irritations, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. It's important to perform a patch test before using it on larger areas of the skin to ensure compatibility. Home remedies. Inhalation. Inhaling the aroma of fresh rosemary or rosemary essential oil may help improve concentration, reduce stress, and uplift mood. Simply crush a few fresh rosemary leaves or add a few drops of rosemary essential oil to a diffuser or bowl of hot water for inhalation. Whether used in cooking, herbal remedies, or aromatherapy, rosemary offers versatile ways to incorporate its flavor and potential health benefits into your daily life.